Number 10.
Anchoring bolts, railings, and rebar in concrete with anchoring epoxy. Anchoring handrails or securing any object to concrete or masonry using threaded rods, rebar, bolts, or dowels requires a high-strength permanent bond, especially applications that will be subjected to heavy loads or vibration. Depending on your specific anchoring application, Quikrete manufactures an anchoring epoxy that will fit your project requirements. Quikrete Fast-Set Anchoring Epoxy is 100% solids, 2-component epoxy in a single cartridge with a working time of about 5 minutes. Fast-Set Anchoring Epoxy's non-sag characteristics make it ideal for both vertical and horizontal use. Quikrete High-Strength Anchoring Epoxy is also 100% solids, 2-component epoxy in a single cartridge, but its extended working time make it particularly suited for applications where multiple anchors must be set. High-strength epoxy also has a pull-out strength of over 30,000 psi, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Quikrete anchoring epoxies have a cure time of just 2 hours for fast-set anchoring epoxy and 3 hours for high-strength anchoring epoxy. First, drill a hole a 1/16 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch larger than the diameter of the threaded rod or railing you are setting. The hole depth should be a minimum of 4.5 times the diameter of the bolt. So a 1/2 inch threaded rod would require a hole depth of 2 1/4 inches. Increasing the depth of the hole significantly increases the tension load that the anchored rod can withstand. After you have drilled the hole, blow out the dust from the bottom of the hole. Cans of compressed air work well for this task. Then, use a nylon brush to remove any remaining debris from the hole, rotating the brush a 1/4 of a turn as it's removed from the hole. After brushing, use the compressed air to remove any remaining dust. Once the holes are properly prepared, insert the anchoring epoxy cartridge into the caulk gun. It is highly recommended that a high-quality, high-strength dispensing gun be used because of the significant amount of force required to dispense the 2-part epoxy through the static mixer nozzle. Then, remove the plastic cap from the tip of the cartridge. This should be easily accomplished with your fingertips, but pliers may be necessary. Dispense a small amount of epoxy into a disposable container until you get an even flow of both the black and white material. Then, attach the static mixer nozzle onto the cartridge and dispense enough epoxy until a consistent gray color is achieved with no streaks. Place the tip of the dispensing nozzle into the bottom of the hole and fill the hole about 5/8 full while slowly withdrawing the nozzle. Then, insert the threaded rod or rebar to the bottom of the hole while turning clockwise. Remove any excess epoxy from around the hole with a putty knife or a piece of cardboard. Leave the anchor undisturbed until the cure time has passed. Quikrete anchoring epoxies have a unique 2-compartment plastic cartridge that is completely discharged when the cartridge plunger is dispensed halfway. Upon completion of your anchoring project, simply remove and discard the static mixer nozzle and replace the cartridge cap. Quikrete anchoring epoxies can be stored for up to 2 years.
Number 9.
In applications where a wide grip range is required and a flush pin break to the collar is beneficial, Huck Magna-Grip is the ideal fastener for the job. Like all Huck-engineered fasteners, Magna-Grip offers the highest level of vibration resistance possible. During installation, the swaged collar of the Magna-Grip forms a permanent vibration-proof connection. With Magna-Grip, you achieve clean installations across the board for a variety of assembly thicknesses. Magna-Grip's wide grip range means easier inventory management. One Magna-Grip can replace as many as 4 comparable fasteners, so you can reduce the number of parts you keep in stock. Magna-Grip installs reliably and consistently provides high uniform installed values. Huck Magna-Grip.
Number 8.
Using an undercut anchor allows small edge and center distances in the installation. The Fischer Zycon Undercut Anchor FZA is the fixing system for optimum safety in cracked concrete. For the installation, first the drill hole is created using the Zycon FZUB universal drill. When the bit stop plate meets the concrete and the correct hole depth is achieved, the undercut is created through circular, swiveling movements. Installation without having to change tools saves time and costs. Then, the drill hole is cleaned. Once the anchor is inserted, the expansion sleeve is driven in using the ZedIOptimA hammer set device. If an anchor with internal threads is being installed, the ZedIOptimA centering pin will also be used. The interlocking connection guarantees maximum safety. The correct expansion of the anchor is easily confirmed through the coloured marking on the thread of the tapered bolt. In other words, a gap of 1 millimeter. Finally, the fixture is mounted using a torque key. The FZA has numerous approvals for use with high load ratings. For facades, steel constructions, consoles and cable trays, and many other applications. Fischer Zycon Undercut Anchor FZA for optimum safety in cracked concrete.
Number 7. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.